Question number 1. When the nurse entered the patient room for administering medication, she noticed that the patient food remained on table. Helping the patient in providing food and then administering the medication is an act of option A. Beneficiency, B. Non-malfeasance, C. Malfeasance, D. Accountability. Answer A. Beneficiency. Question number 2. To sterilize disposable syringes, the method of sterilization used is option A. Ethyl oxide autoclave, B. Infrared radiation, C. Ultraviolet radiation, D. Gamma radiation. Answer D. Gamma radiation. Question number 3. When instructing a patient about proper diet, which among the following would be considered as complete protein? Option A. Olives, B. Rice, C. Egg, D. Nuts. Answer C. Egg. Question number 4. A statement of the predicted relationship between two or more variables in a research study is called option A. Assumption, B. Proposition, C. Operational definition, D. Hypothesis. Answer D. Hypothesis. Question number 5. The serological reaction which sensitizes bacteria for phagocytosis is called option A. Coagglutination, B. Neutralization, C. Opsonization, D. Complement fixation. Answer C. Opsonization. Question number 6. The type of fever in which temperature fluctuates more than 2 degrees Celsius, all above normal, during a 24 hours period is option A. Intermittent fever, B. Remnant fever, C. Recurrent fever, D. Relapsing fever. Answer B. Remnant fever. Question number 7. Preparation of micro lesson falls under which phase of micro teaching? Option A. Knowledge acquisition phase, B. Skill acquisition phase, C. Implement phase, D. Transfer phase. Answer B. Skill acquisition phase. Question number 8. A strategy commonly used to improve therapeutic communication skill is called option A. Active listening, B. Restarting and clarifying, C. Validating, D. Process recording. Answer D. Process recording. Question number 9. Response from a receiver to sender is known as option A. Message, B. Context, C. Feedback, D. Stimulus. Answer C. Feedback. Question number 10. Which of the most important factor in a therapeutic relationship? Option A, trust. B, knowledge. C, respect. D, motivating. Answer A, trust. Question number 11. Which of the example of one-way communication? Option A, class lecture. B, group discussion. C, conference. D, workshop. Answer A, class lecture. Question number 12. Which of the following is not the element of research statement? Option A, research design. B, research instrument. C, population. D, setting. Answer B, research instrument. Question number 13. Which of the project visual aids? Option A, film strip. B, chart. C, graph. D, ratio. Answer A, film strip. Question number 14. All among the following are cellular adaptation except Option A, hypertrophy. B, hyperplasia. C, atrophy. D, metaplasia. Answer C, atrophy. Question number 15. Teaching is based on Option A, spiritual capacity. B, physical description. C, job analysis. D, in-service education. Answer C, job analysis. Question number 16. Which of the following blood pressure reading should be reported immediately to the physician? Option A, 130 by 98 mmHg. B, 140 by 88 mmHg. C, 110 by 70 mmHg. D, 138 by 82 mmHg. Answer A, 130 by 98 mmHg. Question number 17. Which of the following drugs induce sleep? Option A, hypotonics. B, analgesic. C, antipyretics. D, antihistamines. Answer A, hypotonics. Question number 18. When learner learn through his or her own active response to teaching is called Option A, creative learning. B, individual learning. C, self-active learning. D, purposive learning. Answer C, self-active learning. Question number 19. Which of the following term describe the boundaries that the researcher has sent for the study? Option A, assumption. B, limitation. C, delimitation. D, hypothesis. Answer C, delimitation. Question number 20. Which one of the following is an example for non-economic good? Option A, doctor service. B, teacher service. C, mother service. D, bank service. Answer C, mother service.